In this video, I'll show you how you can add a calendar date picker inside of Google Sheets. So let's jump into it. So here's what you need to do. So first, go ahead and go to Data, and then go to Data Validation, and that will open up this window, and you will have no rules by default, and you'll need to click on Add Rule. Once you've done that, you can click on this Apply to Range box, and if you click on this icon, it's going to ask you what data range do you want this feature to appear on. So if you want it to appear in multiple columns or rows, you can obviously enter in that range. I'm going to put here from D4, which is where I've clicked, to D10. Then we'll click OK, and you'll see that update here. Now what you need to do in the criteria box, click on that and then change to is valid date, then click done. Now on all of these boxes that you've added the data validation rules to, when you double click, it will then open up this window and allow you to choose a date. And that is that simple. I hope this video did help you out.